And here, I think I have already given you this data. These datas in the that MongoDB latest queries. These are the query. So just a little bit go through this, and then again we continue the next topic. First of all, you open that server, and inside that server use PCS MERN training. Then switch to PCS MERN training. This is the your DB. And after that, show DBs. Inside the show DBs, you have 1, 2, 3 admin config local MongoDBs. All the DBs are actually it is showing here. All the DBs are here. And here the DB is PCS MERN training. Then we start the schema or the collection. DB, what is the query? db.create collection, then employee. This is the create collection actually. db.create collection employee. Okay, then on. Okay, so that means our collection has been done and we have created the employee collection. This is the next db.employee.insert on. That all we have shown in the previous db.employee insert on. That means we have inserted one employee. That name is name and role. That I've inserted. Again, we have doing the update on. When you need to update anything, suppose you need to update that role from HR to the finance. So what you can do, db.employee.update on. Then you have to write update on. Update on name this and then $ set role finance. This thing you need to do. Or update. Okay. Update when coming later. First of all, we have to insert. So if you again insert one employee, then what you need to do, db.employee.insert and name role. Name role and name role. Now again insert. Now again the update on. db.employee.update on. Name this and set this. Okay, so whatever the name, in respect that name, whatever the employee's role, we need to change that name. We need to change the name also, name and then name. From this name to this name, it will change. And then next query is our find on. Next query is find on db.employee.find on, name this. So if I with the so then it is showing whatever the names are there in the database. It is searching the exact name of this. Exact name of this name, actually it is exist or not. If it is exist, then it will show the information of that employee. ID, name, and role. It is the by default generated ID or dedicatedly for that employee. That object ID means this object ID. This object ID. Okay, after that, db.employee db.employee.find doctor. Role is doctor. So whatever the role is doctor, then it will show here the information. And again, I am find the engineer. db.employee.find then role engineer. So what? So who are the engineers that employee will come one after another? And here I am using .pretty method. .pretty method means it will come in the nice. If you don't use the pretty method, then it will just come in that way. After that, it will come in that way. db.employee.insert one. Again, I am just insert another employee, name and role. Then again, I am update this the same way. Again, I am update the role from engineer to doctor. And after that, I am dealing the delete one. Delete one means I need to remove one employee from our database. So whatever the name is this, that employee and employee associated with the information that will be deleted. Okay, maybe that employee and delete all. Next, db.employee insert menu. Insert menu means suppose you need to insert greater than one employee. db.employee.insert menu, then name, role. So I have added the three names. The three names I have added and their respective roles. And then the three object ID will automatically created. For the three employees, three object ID will be created. So we have entered three employees in our database at a time. So if you enter one employee, you need to write insert one, and you need to insert greater than one employee. You need to insert mail. You need to write. Okay, again just find same thing. Dot find. Then again dot find. You need to just search this name for the employer information. So we have two same name with the two different information. So the two information actually will come. Again find one and again update one. Here it just look in this query db.employee.update one. This is the ID, object ID, and this. Then set name this. That means we need to update the name, but through the ID. First of all, whatever this ID is this name will be changed into the original. That's because we are updating the name through the ID. That's it. Then next is db.employee.find. Then again, we need to search the employee information through the ID. Here we need to update the information to the update. And again, here we need to search the employee information through the ID. So whatever the ID is this, it will give all the information. Here. So this is the total queries, and how you just come the MongoDB shell that I am just telling you again. Okay, first of all, we'll go to here. Go to MongoDB and then go to server. -b, then cmd pair. In here you can write mongo.exe. Okay, the shell is coming. In the moment you write mongo.exe, then it will come. db, whatever db is text. Okay. db show dbs. So all the dbs are coming now. See, all the dbs are coming, but I need this db PCS one training. So then e-routes. Now you can write db. Say something. Okay. Next is let's try one list. Insert. Suppose this one I am taking. db dot create collection. I'm creating another collection. Debojyoti collection. So inflate. Okay. Then check in the database. So the employee data, the employee in schema will be created. So inside that I am just adding the one employee. Okay. Debojyoti employee inside on and this. Next check. Okay, it is added. Now I need to find this. Suppose I need to find this. See, automatically it will come. So again, I am just find this, but here I am just doing the pretty method. It will come then. Okay, now insert menu. Suppose I am now taking this query. Insert menu means I need to add 3 employee at a time. Okay, so it will create it. 3 name will be created. So it is added. Then suppose I am updating. Update on. Just copy and paste here and then enter. And it is acknowledged means it is fine. See, it will be changed. The role will be changed. Okay, so after that, okay, so insert has done, update done, find done, then just show the delete. Yes, we can delete one because you need to delete now. Okay, the name Origin will be deleted. Whatever the name is Origin, it will be deleted. No, actually, Origin has not any name. We have. Okay, let's take this one. Just write here Brazil and then enter and then check now. Okay. It will be deleted. So we have now in this way, we are just doing the CRUD application in our Mongolia. Create, read, update, and delete. Create means to insert the employee information in the document. Then read. Read means populate. That means the find actually. Read means the find. And then update. And then delete. Okay, now it will be easier, I think. And Valerie, I think this document I think I have shared in the group, I think. Can you check? Pallavi, can you check once? This query document have I posted in the group on it? Hello, Pallavi, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes. I am telling just here this document actually I have posted or not. Can you check just this document?
Yes. Can I sharing?
No, I
Hello.
mean, no, I mean, in this document, have I posted in the group
Okay.
in the previous day or not?
Yes.
Okay. I think I have posted already. Okay. That goes to MongoDB. Then next, today, we will do the next topic. The next topic is what? Next topic is Express. Just 1 minute. I need to close this because we don't need this. Okay, now we need Postman. This Postman we need. And query also we don't need. Okay, this. Okay, today we shall do the Express.js. Express.js means Express.js along with the Node.js. What is Express.js? Express.js is the backend. Suppose in Java full stack, we have Spring Boot as a backend. But in the MERN stack, we have another backend technology that is called Express.js. So that is the Express.js along with the Node.js, because in the Express.js we have also the Node.js. Because this total Express.js project is actually running running with the libraries of the Node.js. See the node modules. This is the actually node. This is all the libraries. CS port code, then Node lib, TS config. So all these are the all supportive library for running this project. These the so many libraries are there, and all are the this project. all of the Node.js library. So without Node.js, the Express.js cannot run. Okay, so first of all, that project we need to create. See simply Node.js project, and after that, this project structure will automatically come. Okay, this project structure automatically come. After that, we need to the node modules will automatically install. And inside the SRC, if you expand that SRC, we have DB. DB means database, and then it is models. We have models. Model means we have inside the 4 JavaScript classes. We have address.js, admin.js, index.js, and students.js. So today we just concentrate on 2 things: address.js and student.js. These 2 things we need to concentrate to. And this admin and index also. And admin we don't need to do right now. Don't need right now. So first of all, we come to these are the models actually. These 4 things actually, these are the called models. So under that models, we need to create these JS files. After that, we have by default one file that is called app.js. This app.js. So this is the app.js file. Next. This app.js means here we can write our APIs. Suppose API mean, I think you in Python you write the APIs. here also we have APIs. Inside that API, we can write if we connect API to our database, these database, we can connect our Express.js to our database, and then one API will be generated, and that API, if we write this API here, and then we just create the post method, or we have four methods: get method, post method, put means update, and delete method. These four methods we have because it is the CRUD application. If we just select this and then we can send, then suppose I am inserting one employee, so I'm just write the employee information here. Then I can use the API. Basically one URL actually. Localhost 3002 add address or add student, whatever the API is there. I'm just putting here, and I am just writing the post method. Post means we need to insert or post this information to our database. Add student, just 1 minute. Edit student. Yeah, this is the office details. This is now 1 minute. So this is the add, see, this is the add student. Localhost 3002 add student. If you just add the name, email, age, subject, marks, if you just add this in the JSON, this is called a JSON format. This is called one JSON format. So we will do one after another. Okay. So this is the postman actually. Here we can just check the URL is valid or not. What are the use of the postman? This tool actually used for whatever the URL we have write or the APIs we have write. Just post these APIs here and we just check the APIs. Actually, it is okay or not. It is 200 means okay, or if the 400 will come, then it will be bad request. Bad request means the API is not validated. And 200 okay means the API is perfectly validated. That is the main job of the Postman tool. Okay. Next. Okay, now we come here again. So we have just created app.js folder, app.js JavaScript file. This is the package.json. Inside the package.json, we have name RESTful API. I'm giving the name RESTful API, then version, description, main index.js, test, start. Start means node1 src/app.js. We need to, how we can run this project with this query, node1 src/app.js, because it is the path actually. Inside the src, we have app.js. So src/app.js. If you write here, it will be okay. I'm just right. Okay. Now CLS. That's fine. This is the terminal. Whatever we have write here inside the terminal. Okay, now it is the keywords, then author, then license. After that, we have so many dependencies that will help to run or execute that project. Then is the versions actually. These are the all versions in the country, state, city version. And after that, .env, .environment, then Express version. This is the Express 4.18.3. Express. We have two versions. One is Express.js version. Another is we have Express version. The two things we need to install in our dependency. The two package actually we need to install. One is Express and another is Express.js. Then Express file upload. After that Mongoose. After that Node1. After that validator. What is the Node1? What is the work of the Node1 package? Node1 package actually we use for running the project. For running the project, we use Node1. But after that, in the Mongoose actually, Mongoose is the database. For the connectivity of the database, we use Mongoose. We use Mongoose for connectivity purpose. Now we use NodeMon, and now we use validator. Validator means suppose validator means suppose this project is valid or not for the authentication purpose actually. For authentication purpose, we use validator. That means it will validate that project. That is called validator. That we need to add in this package here in package.json. Okay, so this is the total package.json file. Just quickly see again. Okay, so next we will go to package log.json. In the package log.json, you need to do nothing. Here also same name, then version, then log file version requires to be, then packages, all of the packages there, then name, then version, license, dependencies, agenda, country, state, city, .env, express file upload, express.js, mongoose, node1, validator. The same thing also in there in package log.json. Again, node modules, version 0.8.1 node modules. This is the node modules source URL. Then integrity we don't need to understand right now. Then these are the dependencies. And then again node modules. These are the node modules. What are the different types of node modules is there actually? These are all the packages, package and libraries, dependency and libraries. So you need to just don't. These are all the libraries. If you see, when you create the project, it is automatically created. These are the all libraries in the package log.json. But you need to understand this package.json. Log.json actually it is not, we are not bothering about it, but we need to understand package.json. Because this is the all versions and then this is all dependencies actually, dependencies. And after that, this is the keywords author license. And after that, is the scripts. This is the start query. Write that query to start that project or to run that project. And this is the index.js file, this is the description, this is the version of the expressions. Not version, expressions version is this. This is the version of the RESTful API. Okay, just 1 minute and you see that file. I'm just coming. Okay, next we have done this. Now we go to the okay. Now go to the averages. Inside the averages, we are trying to connect this backend to our database with the 3002 port number. Suppose we have Spring Boot port number 8080. We have Angular port number that is called 4200, and we have another MySQL port number 3306. That's a simple way. That is the port number 3002. Okay, so just comment this because we don't need this right now. We don't need this actually right now. And yeah, mm, this is the total operations. Is the post operation, then get operation, then again post, then delete. So these are the total update operation we will do. Okay, so let's go one by one. And here is the, so what about the APIs? Let's see, slash add student is the one API. We need to first uncomment this, then expand this. And again, just open this. And we also need these files. Okay, so first we understand this up to 64 line. So first of all, what is our task? Our task is to add the in students, in the students. Suppose I am deleting this. So there is no data, right? So first of all, you need to insert one data. First of all, you need to insert one data through Express.js. So how we can do? Let's see. So here app.post, I am writing here app.post slash add student. Add student means this is the URL. That URL I need to paste in a post slash add student. Then async means it is asynchronous function. We have two types of functions: synchronous function, asynchronous function. But asynchronous function, what is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous? In the synchronous function, the compiler will check each and every line, and then it will go to next by next. This line is correct, then it will go to next. when we execute that expressions. But if we write the asynchronous function, and these are the two things, request and response, these two parameters, request and response, these are the two parameters with the asynchronous function. So it will directly go to this. Whatever I need, actually, it will directly go. By line by line, it will not check. It will directly go to that portion what I have needed. That's why I am using asynchronous function, request and response. And this is the lambda function. Then I am using the try block. Constant is the data type and this is the variable name. Request dot body dot student name. Then email request body student email. After that age, request body student age. After that subject, request body student subject. After marks, student marks. So these are actually these things: student name, student email, age, subject. Gender we don't need right now. Gender actually don't need. Name, email, age, subject, marks. Okay. Body means this body. Body means this body. This raw body. This is the body. And after that, student equals to target student dot create. Then after that name, email, age, subject, marks. We have the parameters, we have the keys, and this is the values. Name, email, age, subject, marks. We are using the await function. Await method, that means first of all it will check this. If it is correct, then it will go to the next. Then compare go next. So line by line, actually it will be checked with the await function. If we don't give the await function, then if any error comes in this line, then it will be stuck here. It will cannot go to the further lines. But we give the await, it will first check this line, then it will check this line, then it will check this line. So line by line, actually it will be loop by loop, it will be validated and executed. Okay. So then await student dot save. So I need to save or insert this. If successfully it will the new employee information actually successfully saved, then it will be 200. Okay, that I have shown you. And send student. Student is the variable. And after that, catch. Inside the catch is the ERR. I have taken on primary ERR, then console.log. The error is the error will be print and then 400. If it is saved, then it will be 200. If the information is not saved in our MongoDB database, then it will be 400. Not send here. After that, raise.status 400, send to string method, and raise.status 400 is informated because we need to write that is informated. The two things actually the two things will be print here. In Postman terminal, it will be printed in the JSON format. Yeah, so you need to print here dash.status 400, this is success false or success true. If the data is successfully inserted in the database. So this is the total code actually for adding the student in our database. These are the variables actually. This is the data type, constant is the data type, and these are the variables, name, email, age, subject, one is the variables we have taken. If you had any doubt further, If you have any doubt, then you can tell in this code. Okay, so Pallavi, you have yeah, Pallavi, you have. Okay, these programs actually I need to install in your system. I am just giving this program to you, this project, so you can install and run in your system.
Sorry, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. I have some laptop issue, so that's why I'm facing problem, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is the that's how we are uh, adding one student. Okay, now go to models. Inside the models, we just have to create the model that's called student.js. Inside the student.js, what we have written, mongoose equals to require mongoose. It is required. Required, we need to install the mongoose, we need to install the validator. These are the two packages that I have told you in the package.js. Right. Constant mongoose require mongoose. Constant validator require. Okay. Can you hear my voice? One. Okay. Can you hear my voice now? Hello, Pallavi. Can you hear my voice now? Hello. Yes, tell me.